Hi guys, it's the AJ twins. Last week, I apologize. Serena and I were really sick and I'm still kind of sick, but it's just because of the weather and it's so bad, and I'm really sorry if I look trash. Serena and I are doing this 24-hour challenge like without each other, because I mean we haven't talked since like 10 last night and it's like really bad. And not often, we always like send good morning texts to each other, but I didn't get to text her today and she didn't text me, so it's kind of like it feels so weird being like away from my best friend. And plus we didn't get to see each other this week because of the weather and like the roads, and it's kind of like dangerous, but I'm pretty sure she's bored right now.
Jacob, freeze your hands!
Fine. Oh shoot! Oh, the snow is so slippery. It's so slippery.
You almost did it!
It is 11:53. So early. It's 7:55 and I have no good morning text. Every morning, Harcy and I text each other, good morning, but nope, that's not the case for today. So sad. But look, this is outside my house right now. So, right now, I'm getting ready to go play with some friends in the snow. And Harcy is not one of them, obviously. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my friends, and I'm really annoyed because they all of them have not texted me, and they are still asleep, and I'm annoyed. I'm hungry. Serena's gonna be so bored. She's gonna hate me for this, right? You're gonna hate me because I'm actually having fun, but like I miss her though. I miss her. I miss you. You know that. Stop! It's so damn cold.
Like on the sidewalk.
I'm not trying to get run over by a car.
Okay.
This is so nasty. I hate snow. Now I am back in my room and I am exhausted. Update, Serena just texted me. Oh bro, we can't do it. It's okay.